Hello loves, welcome to the ThesparkleZboutique, and today I am showing you 2 ways that I use to take these artificial flowers from white to gray, using the spray paint method and also using a method using any type of acrylic or latex paint that you may have at home. If you want to see how I achieve this look, you know what you got to do. Keep watching.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Okay, first we're going to start with the spray paint method. I got the spray paint from Michaels, and it says it's flower friendly, foam flower safe. And I got this Rust-Oleum Comfort Grip spray paint gun, and it makes any spray paint can more like a spray paint gun, and it is so easy on the hand, and it make the spray paint application a lot smoother and a lot more professional looking. I really enjoy it. You might want to try it. And I start off with a back and forth motion, and as you can see, it seems like to me with this attachment, it makes the paint come out smoother, as opposed to sometimes when you use a spray can without it, the spray paint comes out unexpectedly and it has drips going down whatever you're spray painting. I didn't notice that with this attachment. I really do like it. Now I know I should be 6 to 8 inches away, but I'm up on the flowers pretty closely because I'm trying to make sure that the paint is directed on the flowers and not all over the place. That's why I made sure I put down this drop cloth. Now first was spraying roses. Now these are filler flowers. I don't know what kind of artificial flower these are. They were included with this flower panel. If I can find the information, I will list it down below. But I wanted to show that this method works on any type of artificial flower. Okay, now we're going to the acrylic paint method. I do want to mention it really doesn't matter what color you use. It's whatever color that you want to use to your liking. I'm adding this gray paint, and it seems like the mixture that works best is 50% paint, 50% water, and make sure you mix it well. And also make sure you use warm water so that the paint mixes up better, or maybe just mix all the colors. If you're going to use multiple colors, I would mix all the multiple colors separately and then add it to the water, because not doing that, I noticed that the paint did not mix as smoothly, but actually it ended up working out for me in the end, so I'm okay with that. Just keep watching and you will see the different ways that I dip these flowers. It's almost like a paint wash. So I took the flowers, dipped it in, shake all the excess paint off, and make sure they were upside down as they were drying, so any excess paint would drip out. And again, that's why I have this drop cloth down, to make sure that I do not damage anything in my home. Again, as you're going to see soon, as I shake off all this excess paint, I'm going to be dipping the flowers in just the tips of the flowers, just the inside of the flower, just one side of the flower, and then you're going to see me even use a paintbrush. This is the time for you to have fun and show your creativity with these flowers. I really enjoyed myself, and I think the results were so well worth all of the mess that I am making. Keep watching. Okay, again, these are the ones that I spray painted. I've noticed the difference between the ones that are spray painted are the color is beautiful, it's nice and even. With this particular paint, it's just so beautiful, this particular spray paint. I will put the details down below, and it's definitely quicker to spray them with spray paint, but I actually like the paint as well, because with customization, the actual paint would be better, because these are the ones that I did, but I put too much black in the paint mixture, but it actually left these little black dust specks on them. I hope you can see that. See how the little, it's like I didn't mix it well, so it left little black spots on it. I absolutely love that, because that's the way flowers are. They aren't perfect all the time. Because I noticed the one, like this one here, this is the one I did where I barely put any black in there. Maybe just, there was just enough to make it darker. But with, I only put one tube in, but with this one other mixture, I put 2 tubes. So it's like, see, this is the one again with, I put barely any black in it, and the gray is like popping. But mixing all these in is going to make it so beautiful when I put, like how I have it side by side here, where I have a gray, all gray with no black specks, next to this one that has the black specks. Next to that, see how to give the different variations of the gray. This is the one where I just dipped the inside, and I went back with the brush and put little drips on it. This is the one where I just did the left side. Yes, you can do that with the spray paint, but it wouldn't be as, I don't think it would work as well. And this is the one where I dipped the whole tray in. And these are the ones that, when I was in the process of seeing if this worked, I stopped, and I was talking to Val from Valerie's Glamorous Castles and Decor. And I was telling her about this project, and she was recommending that I go in with some Mod Podge and glitter and add little rhinestones just to add a little extra bling. And I took that advice, and I really like that. And I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to go in and add more bling and rhinestones throughout. But I'll find out if I want to do that. And I'm going to be using all these flowers in an upcoming tutorial. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. I am totally over the moon with how these turned out. To me, it's just going to make this DIY I have coming just spectacular. Just the plain white was cool, but I still have a lot more white flowers. I'm going to be mixing in the white with the gray, so it's not going to be all gray. It's going to be a nice mixture, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that. So, but at first, I wanted to make sure that I show you guys how to paint artificial flowers. Even if you got a cheaper one, it make it look more expensive. Whether you wanted to do the spray paint or you want to do the regular paint, I think as far as cost, this can of spray paint was $9.49. Now you can use a 50% coupon off like I did. But this paint was just leftover paint I had, diluted it with water, and you saw I had leftover. It's plenty. You can do, I have, I think 12 panels. I could have done all 12 panels with that paint that I had. But with that spray paint, you're not going to get 12. You might be able to do 4. So as you can see, it's a drastic difference. I love you guys. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Of course, I will leave any information I think it would be valuable for you to know. These DIYs for this living room are going to be pumping out. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of that fun. Just to give you a little hint, you see that? It's coming. I'm so excited about all the things that are coming here. Make sure you guys are subscribed. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful. Because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.